Hi guys, how you all doing? Today I'm here with my family. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Always in the gardens. Today I'm going to be doing a patio tour. It's a little thing that we just put together. No much, no big deal. Like we did it on a budget and we just did it anyhow, you know. But we're loving it, okay? I'm going to be showing you guys how it turned out. Yeah. We've actually been enjoying our stay in the garden, you know, enjoying the summer, having lots of fun, you know, with family. Right now I'm in the patio and this is what it is looking like. Do you guys see? I love it. So what we did was put a canopy up like so. All right, let me show you this. Let's just get into the tour, okay? Let's just get into the tour. All right. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel, okay? And if you're watching me, you've not yet subscribed, please go on, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, like this video, share this video. So let's get right into the video. This is what the outside is looking like, okay? So it's a canopy up there, so we just use curtain to stop the sun from coming in, okay? So we just put curtain that we already have at home. We just put it round because at times the sun can be coming in so bad and it's just gonna keep disturbing us. Got a rope and just tie curtain around it, and this is what it looks like. And yeah, it looks good. So guys, so this is something we bought. I don't really know the name of this. What is it called, guys? It's just like a wooden stuff. So we just use it as a background. Look at that. We just use it as a background, and yeah, I'm going to be inserting the picture of what it looks like, okay? So yeah, that's pretty cute because I wasn't really feeling my background, so I just used it as a background. I just tie a knot in between like that, and I just had a background there, which is pretty cute. Look at that. It went all the way down, okay? So it's supposed to be something like fencing stuff, so they use it for fencing or something like that. So I just picked it up and I wanted to use it and it reminds me of this African vibes, you know. When you go to the beach in Africa, you will see a place where you can relax and chill, you know, and then you see this thing there, you know, have everything like with mats, just a shield, you know. Yeah, so yeah, we got that and we just tied it there in between, just from one end to another. We tied it there. All right, so I'll show you this light. We got this solar light from B&M and we got two of it. So I just put one here and I put the other one there, okay? So it comes on at night and it's so cute. So I'm gonna show you this chair that somebody gave to me. All right, so my neighbor gave me this chair, you know, wooden chair. So right now I'm just trying to dust the chair, and then I wiped it off and we realized that it needs some painting. So we just went ahead and painted, and that was it. We just put it in a patio, and it's so relaxed, it's so comfy, and we noticed that the chair is still very okay. And yeah, that's it. 유난히도 캄캄한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. Then you can just put your hand, lean your hand on. So it got broken, so I just put this wood and joined it together. And I already have this one this cushion. I just put it in between. It's actually for bench, okay? So when I get my bench, I'm just going to put it on top, but for now we're just going to manage it like that. And I just put some cushion around it, and it's just a place where we can chill and relax with my family. Got those flower pots from eBay, cheap. It's just £11 each, and I got two of that, which is so cute. I just put it by the side, okay? So for the flooring, this is what we have. For the flooring, it's a wooden floor. You already know, you already seen a video of how I got the flooring stuff, the wooden floor. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to be inserting it in the comment section below. You can go check it out. We got it from B&Q. It's really cute. And we just put this foot mat, something that we have at home already. So I just put it at the middle. Okay, so it's just something we have at home already. I just use it, something we've not been using. I'm just reusing it, something we don't really care about. I just put them together and it's made a lot of sense. Okay, so this is my table. I don't use it anymore as well. Just relax, you know, that's my daughter's tablet there. So we're just here relaxing, chilling. We can just relax and they can just be there watching their tablet, playing in the garden and all that. So it's been so lovely. So yeah, that's my little one there. Yeah, I like say hi. Say hi to everyone. Come on, you can do that. Come on, shy girl. Just this little beautiful flower there, and yeah, and it's so cute and I love it. It's okay. If you watch how we transformed our garden, we broke this tree. It's a really tall tree, so we're able to bring it down. So we still have it there, so we just cut it, just half of it there, and yeah, we pull it down and just I left the remaining half. Okay, so and I just put my solar lights there. It comes up at night and it's so cute, and just this little flower thing, I just hang it there. Okay, so this is another place if they want to eat. Okay, they can just sit down there and eat maybe their lunch or anything. Like I said, we spend most of our time in the garden. When it's only when it's windy we'll be indoor. When it's windy we just take everything down and we'll go inside again. Okay, but so far so good. We've been enjoying the garden. It's just so cool. Okay, not bad at all. It's okay. It's a place of relaxation. Like I said, we just relax here, we chill. I chill with my family. There's nothing like family. Families are the best, you know. I just chill with my family, have some cup of tea, have some, just have some time with my family, and it's just the best life ever. Yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this little tour. It's just a tour, a little tour that I just said I should share with you guys, a little patio tour. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share this video, please like this video. Okay, guys. So yeah, so if you feel like enjoying the sun, we just come out here and relax in the sun. And if you feel like the sun is just too much, we just go in there and chill. Okay, and here is the place where we sit and have our lunch or whatever. And yeah, that's just it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, share, like, subscribe, watching, and wait for our next video. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.